Okay, so I hope you can hear me. So again, let's discuss how our HFT algo scanner performed and today. And so starting here, that is let's start from the last day onwards. So if you look at here, here this post, okay. So I clearly posted here when I posted this yesterday. So someone asked like what happened the last 30 minutes or the last hour in Nifty the last day. When I was posting this, Gift Nifty was up by 50 points. But anyways, like I posted what the data points were saying. So they closed in negative and also some call writers were present. Okay, so this is about the last day. Now we'll start with today. So it will all make sense. That's the main reason. So yes, now it will all make sense. Why? Because now you see that these call writers, okay. So now it will look a little bit smaller because of these big bars today. But if you go to here, so you can see those call writers were present the last day at the top, and today you saw like just starting there was a sharp more than 70 points candle, right? So at the very beginning. So yeah, let's also open the Bank Nifty live. So I hope you can see both Nifty and Bank Nifty live. How it's on the how it's performing on the HFT algo scanner. Yeah. So this was the starting of the day, and also I posted the video that is below here. So this was like 140 cr of put writing happened there, okay. And then market went up. So I mean the HFT algo scanner caught the big put writers right at the bottom. But then what our rule says is that we should only go long, that is when we get the buy signal on the smart trend indicator on 1 minute chart for intraday, okay. So this move according to the rules, this move could have been captured, okay. And then coming to okay, so let me go full screen on Nifty. Yeah, so it will be better to discuss. So yes, coming down here, that is again, if you see call writers were present, okay. So here 48.6 cr of call writing happened. Here also call writing happened. So this was a good amount of call writing that happened. And now after this, according to our rules, we should wait for the sell signal. So our HFT algo scanner showed that right at the top the call writers were present, and then after that like the sell signal came here, and this move could have been captured by the rules that we have discussed. And now one can say that where are the rules and so on and so forth. So here, as I have made already this video, high probability trading setup, I have clearly mentioned the rules there, and also like in every live stream I have discussed the rules there as well, okay. So now coming down to the other things, and also please do ask all your queries, okay. So no, I'm not going to share the code here. So I'm going so yeah, coming one by one. So if you have any doubts about how it works and so on, so yes, I'm going to answer that. Like, but not the what the actual logic is. Okay, so anyways, coming down to here, that is this move could have been captured according to the rules discussed. But as I also mentioned that if you're a pro trader, like you see that right at the bottom, huge put writing has happened. 140 cr of put writing has happened, and Nifty is reversing. You can go long, but there is no recommendation or anything or any sort of buy, sell or hold recommendation. Okay, so it's purely based on algo, and that's what the rules are also like strictly there, and the stops are also there, and also the if I mean if market starts moving in your direction, the smart trend also trails your profits as well, okay. So the stop is trailed, okay. And now talking about the other thing that is now coming down here, if you look at here, again the put rider started, okay. So the put rider started here, and then again this buying signal came, and this move could have been captured. And now this move, this sell move, yeah, we did not get any like the HFT did not give any sell signal, or the it did not show us any big call writers at the top, okay. So yes, but what happened here was that now many could ask this question, that is, then we see put writers are here present here. So if you look at here, put writers were present throughout here, and when Nifty was coming down, they were also present. So now the question comes, where should we go long? Again, as per the rules, we have to wait for it's in the selling zone, so we don't go long, okay. So we wait for the buy signal on the smart trend on 1 minute, and here the the buy signal came in, okay. And there was a sharp rally. Now this update was also posted on X. If you go and check out this post, yeah, I said check what's happening right now, okay. So it just took me 1 minute to post. So 155 I posted. So 155 is this candle, okay. So 155, and the buying signal came here, and then I took the screenshot, I think here, and then I was posting it 150. So like just it took me 1 or 2 minutes to post, and that's it, okay. So those who were seeing it live, like they knew that here. So I got many feedback, nice feedback also today. Like this sharp move was like just it came in a very limited period of time. The move sharply happened, and the signal was almost right at the bottom. Also, it came. So the main point is we have to wait for the smart trend indicator to give us the signal. Okay. Now again, look at here, going up here, it went up straight, and then here here. Okay, here call riders were present. So let's look at the amount. So it's one. Yeah. So it's no, this one. Yeah. So you see the light red one. So yeah. So it's 107 CR. Okay. So 107 CR of call writing happened right here, and they did try to take after that you can see Nifty is consolidating, and here as well, let's look at the amount. This is 72 CR, okay. So now also Nifty has gone up above 23,400. So let's also update our ATM as well, so to get a clear picture of what's happening near the ATM as well. So yes, so if you look at here now, so call writers and put writers are both present. So put writers are also there, as you can see, and call writers are also there. So which is showing that they are making positions for tomorrow, okay. And yeah, so yes, and money flow is also has come down to the neutral zone. So anyways, also let's go and talk about Bank Nifty's performance on our HFT indicator performance on Bank Nifty. So if you look at here, Bank Nifty, so we are on 1 minute chart, okay. And yeah, so if you look at here, this is 920, this is, yeah. So again, as mentioned, we don't follow the deep red, okay. We follow the light red and the light green. Why? Because the big institutions, they majorly do writing, okay. So they have funds worth 500 CR or 1000 CR. So you know that they won't be buying with that money, but they would be selling. So that's why we follow majorly the selling, okay. So look at here, Bank Nifty, this is 9:15 AM. So right here, big put writers were present, okay. And it sharply went up. It was already in the buying zone, so we don't have to look further for the buying signal from the smart trend. It's already in the buying zone, okay. And again, coming here, call riders were present, and again this sell signal. So this move could have been captured according to the rules. And again, if you look at here, mostly put writers were present in this region, okay. And so again, we got the buying signal here, and even at this point also put writers were present. So we got the buying signal. So this move could have been captured. But again, let's see here. That is, again, for this sell signal, there wasn't any big activity by the HFT. So we don't sell here. Okay. And then what happens? Just give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Uh, yes, I'll be answering all the questions. So yeah, so 3 minutes left for the market to end. So yes, the main major thing is that even in Bank Nifty also, if you see, this sell signal couldn't have been captured according to the rules, because here we did not get any sell signal specifically from the from the HFT algo scanner. Okay, so but here coming down, the put writers were active. Okay, so now you would see that like these are looking small, but now these are looking big. So it's basically, I've explained, it's basically with respect to the other bars, the lengths are shown. But yes, during that time, right at the bottom, the put writers were present here, as well as in Nifty also the put writers were present. I updated on, like, here this was the update, and after that, like, like you can go and check out the time of the post, 1:55. So as I said, like 2 minutes it took me. After the buying signal, it took me 2 minutes to make the post, and I first posted it in the group, members group, and then I posted it on X right away, and told you that to check what's happening right now. And just after that, you saw the nice up move. But yes, the up move halted currently here because of these call writers are also present. But yes, writers are also present there. So yes, so I mean, for now, like at this point, like it's giving a neutral signal. And yes, talking about Bank Nifty also, let's go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, here right at the bottom, we got this buying signal. So this move could have been captured, but now going up here, you see here, this one. So right at here, the candle. So there, the call writers were present. So it was a big call writing, because we ignored the dark red and dark green. Okay, so we only see the light red and the light green. And yeah, as you can see now, again coming down, as I told you, like both are present, so it's looking neutral. So this up move is not making sense, so it's coming down. Okay, now here also, like the big call writers were present, and so after that, like you can see, the here also call writing happened here as well. So the thing is that the Bank Nifty now is consolidating there. So but here, if you see right at the bottom, the put writers were present, it took it up, and that's how it worked in Bank Nifty. But yes, and also, like let's, yeah, so also here as well, like talking about Nifty, here we have the monthly options in the below one. Okay, and above we have the current one that is going to expire tomorrow, and that is the whole day's update. Like here throughout this region, you can see put writers were present. Okay, and we were like mostly waiting for the buying signal, and that's where like this move was captured. So again, one more recap. So what moves could have been captured? So I won't say that the very first move could have been captured due to like last day call writing here, which I told. So if I just want to sell my indicator, I can say anything. But let's be practical, and let's see what practically moves could have been caught. So right at the bottom, we saw call put writing towards 140 CR, got the buying signal. This move could have been captured. Okay, now here I should change the ATM to 23,300 so that it makes more sense, because otherwise you would not know see the call writing here. Okay, now here put writing happened 140 CR. I showed you even in the morning. So now also you can see the amount 30, the same amount 38, 57.5 and so on. Okay, and the next one was here call writing here. So 48.6 CR, 22 CR, 17 CR. Here mostly like at this region at the top, call writers were present, and also we had this 23,366 as resistance. And so this move could have been captured. Next, coming down here, that is some put writers were present here. Let's say that this move could have been captured or not. So let's again, if there is any doubt, so here also put writers were present, I can say that this move could have been captured. But again, let's leave it. Okay, but yeah, now coming down here put writers were present, and okay, so let's look at here. So again, here. So right here put writers were present, and again, if you say that here the buying signal came, I could have bought. So if you are buying here, then the sell signal came here. So almost at cost to cost, your SL gets hit. Okay, and according to the rules. Okay, and then right at the bottom again put writers were present. Though this looks small according to this big candle, but yeah. at that moment it was they, I mean, yeah, and and you must see the amount. It's not about the size, because the size can look small, big, with respect to the other candles, but you should see the amount. This is 15.9 cr, this is 18.3 cr, this is 12.4 cr, this is 14.3 cr. This was the big one, 33.3 cr. Okay, and then we got the buying signal. This move could have been captured. So majorly, absolutely, like this one and this one, these three reversals could have been captured, and also like if you say this one as well, but again, if you want, I can leave that as well. So that's the overall thing. And yeah, so if you let me answer all your queries. So how does the algo work? The algo basically, like, I have developed the algo and coded it here. So mainly it works on option chain data and capturing big guys. Whenever the big guys they are present, so it tries to capture them, and specifically like it captures all the put buying, call writing, call buying, put writing, put buying. Okay, but as we like know that the big guys, big institutions, like we mean like having worth 100 cr or more, or 500 cr or 1000 cr. So if they are trading, so they are doing mostly writing. Okay, so they also buy, I'm not denying that, but mostly 90% or more than 90% of the time they do writing, and so we follow the writing only. So there are four colors, as you can see. So the writing one is the light red, that is call writing, and the light green, which is the put writing. Okay, and everything is mentioned on the website about in this. You have to just go to the page about the indicators, and there everything is mentioned. Okay, so that's what we do, and I have also discussed the rules on the video, like high probability setup, how to follow it, and so on, in this video, like this one. Okay, and so that's the overall thing, how it works. And so it basically captures the big institutional positions and also tells you the fund flow. Okay, so the fund flow is also important, because why is it important? Because try to see here, that is like, for example, here someone big did call writing, so it was like 55 lakhs of call writing. Okay, but look at the put writers. The put writing is like almost 10x the amount of call writing. Okay, so yes, it's not like always every big institution wins. Big institutions also, like in them also there is like larger sharks, smaller sharks also there. Okay, so that's why the fund flow is very, very important to see whether a good amount of money has been put or not. Okay, so that we feel comfortable to ride with them, and so on and so forth. Okay, so yes, that's how it works. And yeah, it works for the stocks as well. So I mean, you can like see here, that is, you can go here and see like all these stocks are listed, and for which stocks it works, I have also mentioned it on my website. So if you go here, go to my website. So about the indicators, I have listed down all the stocks, and also like if you have any further stocks, I can add them as well, but they need to have the option chain data. Okay, other no option chain, so no HFT, it won't work. Okay, so these are all the stocks, and along with the Nifty 50 stocks and the indices there that are like currently working in our HFT algo scanner. So yeah, so that's the thing. And any other queries or questions? So how can we use this to carry forward or BTST? So the thing is that, like, if you see that like majorly put writing has happened, so you can see the levels where the put writing has happened, and like here 140 cr of put writing happened. Okay, and there at that level it's taking support, once it took support, twice, thrice. So you can get the levels where the major big guys, what positions they have taken. So according to that, you can make your decision of taking like positions. And also like the end matters, like at the end, like the last day it was red, so, and you saw like sharp more than 70 to 80 points fall, it happened. So like this also at the end, I also mentioned that every day that the end matters. Okay, so like tomorrow is expiry, so on the expiry, for tomorrow's expiry, as you can see, like call writers are also present, put writers are also present, and again it came down here, so it's showing kind of neutralness, and also we have our Nifty money flow, which is slightly ending into positive, but almost in the neutral zone. Okay, so that's how like you can take your decision, like and sometimes it, see, always every day it might not happen that we will get a very very clear signal at the end. Sometimes it some many days I have also posted that at the end huge call writing were happening, so there are days or at the very end huge put writing were happening, and then we had a gap up, like for example the 1,000 points gap down that happened. So you can go and check out the last day. What I posted was like on the last 30 minutes, what was our indicator saying? Okay, and also like 2 to 3 days back, we had this gap up of 300 points. So just go and check out last day what I posted, that what before that last day what I posted, what our algo HFT algo scanner was showing, or our AI money flow was showing. So those were some major days where we got the signal at the end what could have happened the next day. Okay, so yes, so that's how you can also go for BTST. Seeing this put right, I will definitely say that your yeah. So thanks. Today's major example is this. Like after that, even like haters won't be able to say anything after this post. You can just go and compare like the time of the post 1:55 p.m. So right here, like it, yes, if you obviously takes like 2 minutes for me to post after the signal, because I had to post it first in the members group and then here. So then after that, like you saw the move, it was a nice, like swift 100 points, more than 100 points move. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. So if so, like don't forget to put a like, and yeah, so I hope I have answered all your queries. If you still have any queries or questions, please do ask. Otherwise, I'll end it here. And also, like, if you like today's live analysis, don't forget to put a like. So likes are anonymous and it doesn't cost you anything, right? And as you can see, like, I mean, there is not there, and we are the first one to have such an algorithm. Why am I saying we are the first one? Because no algorithm like in the market currently can tell you that 9:15 a.m. Okay, so here, look at here, 9:15 a.m., 9:16 a.m., 9:18 a.m. This amount of put writing is going on. Okay, because NSE data OI starts from 9:18 a.m. Before, from 9:15 a.m. to 9:18 a.m. there is no update of OI from the from NSE. Like so that means no brokers also gets that data. So you have to understand that we had to like work on this algo. Like some hard work is involved. Okay, a lot of thinking is involved to figure out this thing that no one has been able to figure out so far. Okay, and also please note that many people have come and said that you are just basically following OI or PCR ratio. So I am on 1 minute chart and you can see the update. So NSE updates the OI every 3 minutes. The first update of the day comes at 9:18. I'm not talking about NSE option chain on NSE's website. I'm talking about everywhere, on every broker's platform, everywhere, wherever you go. The first day OI starts at 9:18, the next one comes at 9:21. So that is not real time. Okay, so that's what you can like see, that this thing that is with the fund flow, and you can now clearly visualize that what the big guys are doing, and this information is very very important to a trader, specifically an intraday trader. Okay, and it's all based on rules, no emotions, nothing. Okay, so it's just purely based on rules that you have to follow blindfoldedly, you have to follow, and you don't have to go with all the sell and the buy signals. If you're a pro trader, it's up to you, but if you're a novice, you're new, whatever, even if you're a pro, you don't want to go with your emotions or whatever, you just want to follow the rules, just follow the rules. Okay, and that's it. So that's how the thing is. And it's not only like I am showing some days where my algo worked, or some part where my algo worked. I'm showing it every day, every part, everything I'm showing. Okay, so no hiding, 100% transparency to show how it works, where it fails, and what moves could have been captured according to the rules that we have discussed earlier. And it's like we have like made it 100% transparent. After that also, like, I'm coming every day answering your queries or questions. Yeah, so sir, are you taking live option chain data or delayed? So I just answered that question about the option chain. No, option chain data, OI data is delayed always. Everywhere it's delayed. Option chain data, yes, we have to take it live. Otherwise, we can't output that live data. Do we need more subscription than yours? No, no. If you are a member, then you have already got access. Or if you did not get access, just do contact me. Like, I have given access to all the members. So okay, and that is trading view no trading view subscription or nothing. Like, I have explained it here as well in this video. I have made one video here. If you see here, trading view hacks. So in this video I have clearly mentioned that you can run this on a basic account. Okay, but yes, there in the basic account, the data is delayed by only 5 seconds. Okay, like in the basic free account of TradingView. So if 5 seconds delay works for you, because it doesn't matter, we are taking like updates every 1 minute, right? So 5 seconds delay, if it doesn't bother you much, because 5 seconds mein aap to matlab, if you start placing your trade, it will take more than 5 seconds. So sometimes like 5 seconds doesn't matter at all. Okay, so it's just within a 5 seconds delay and nothing else. But ultimately even it works in the free version as well. Okay, and yeah, so I hope I have answered all the queries, all the questions. So if no further queries or questions, then I'll end it here. Okay, guys. And to get access to the indicator, all you have to do is just go to my website, and whichever like option suits you. So you can also directly UPI me. So the UPI number is also given here. And also, like, you can if you want to pay via card or any other payment option, so you can choose it and pay through the link, and right away we will add you. And yeah, so, and give you access to all the membership benefits. And yeah, so that's the all updates I had. Okay, so guys, bye, see you in the next one. So I hope you enjoyed my live analysis. If so, please don't forget to put a like, and thanks.